Hi everyone, this is Robert Weinberg, your mortgage advisor and financial coach. I want to talk about the advantages of debt consolidation using a home loan and a cash out refinance versus other options that you may be considering. The first and foremost reason is that you're going to be able to protect your credit score when you use a refinance versus other methods. So if you're looking at debt settlement or bankruptcy options, those will ruin your credit. They'll require that you go behind and that in some cases you settle your accounts for less than the full balance. Whereas with a refinance home loan and cash out, you can pay your credit cards back in full and they'll show as a zero balance on your credit report. Another bonus is that most underwriters do not require that you actually close the credit card account. So those accounts will stay open with a zero balance, which will cause your credit score to be greatly enhanced and improved, typically within just 30 to 60 days. Whereas those other options cause your credit to be dramatically affected in a negative way to where you may not even be able to get a loan at all in the future. The other reason why using a cash out refinance loan is such a great tool for debt consolidation is because it gives you the lowest interest cost of any loan available. By definition, home loans are going to be a much lower cost than personal loans, auto loans, and any other type of financing that you may be considering. So as we speak here, it's middle of 2019, the refinance rates are between 4 and 5% interest, which is much lower than personal loan rates, which are 8 to 10% or higher, and credit card interest rates, which are double digit, sometimes 20 and 30% or more. The mortgage interest rate and the home loan rate is going to be the lowest of any of those, so it's going to give you the biggest opportunity to lower your overall interest cost. The other reason is payment flexibility. So with a lot of other debt management options that you may be considering, you only have an option of doing a 3-year loan or a 5-year loan or a 6-year loan, and that's it. If you compare the amount of the new payment versus what you're spending now, many of those options won't even save you money. And in some cases, your payment may actually go up. If you're cash strapped and have a tight budget, that's not going to work. The great news is that with a cash out refinance home loan, we can customize the term based on your financial needs. So we can go all the way from a 10-year term up to a 30-year term, depending on your financial goals and how many years you have left on your current loan. So it's going to give you the most flexibility. Many of my clients are saving upwards of $800 to $1,000 or more by using a cash out refinance home loan because, again, we're able to customize that payment and the term of the loan to their specific financial needs. Another great thing is you can accelerate your mortgage payoff time. So we were just talking about payment flexibility. What you are able to do is use that payment flexibility and the savings that you create by consolidating your debt into your mortgage, and you can actually apply that to the principal on your new mortgage instead of putting it in your back pocket and just putting it into your budget. So what that means to you is that you could take a 30-year new home loan and you could apply $800 or $1,000 extra to it because that's money that you were spending on interest on other debt that you can now apply to your home loan principal, and you can pay off a 30-year mortgage in as little as 7 to 10 years or even less while not even changing your budget because, again, we're taking the money that was going towards other non-preferred debt and we're freeing that up so that now it can go to accelerating your mortgage payoff time or to anything else that you may choose. In certain cases, you may be eligible to deduct the interest that you're paying on your home loan. Now, this did change back in 2018 when the new tax laws came out, but depending on your particular circumstance, you want to check with your CPA or your tax advisor to see if you may be eligible to actually have an additional tax deduction by consolidating your debt into your mortgage. And last but not least, many people don't realize, but the equity in your home has a 0% rate of return. The only way to get a return on that money is to separate it from the equity and put it into some of these other debts that we're talking about. So for example, if you have a 15% credit card and we're going to pay it off using the equity in your home, you're getting a guaranteed 15% rate of return. There's no other investment in the world that allows you to get a guaranteed double-digit rate of return besides paying off high-interest debt, in many cases credit card debt or other debt you may have. So taking an asset that's literally earning you 0 rate of return and getting a double-digit or higher rate can be a huge way to accumulate wealth, and the equity sitting in your home is not doing you any good. Your home value will go up or down regardless of how big of a mortgage that you have. Think about that for a second. You want to use the opportunity to tap that equity and have it working for you. And one of the best ways to do that is what we're talking about, using it through a cash out refinance home loan to get rid of your debt. I hope this has been of value and it's been eye-opening. A lot of these concepts many people don't know or don't talk about. I am here to help you. If you would like a free consultation with me, I can run the numbers to see how a debt consolidation home loan could save you money, and we can customize a plan for your specific needs. So please go ahead and like this video, comment below if it's been of assistance to you, and click the subscribe button on my channel so that I can notify you when new videos come out. I record several videos a week like this with the best tips in regards to your mortgage and your finances. You can always reach out to my office directly by either contacting me via social media, or you can call or text directly. The information on how to reach me is in the comments or the information section of this video. Hope that we'll be talking to you soon, and take care.